Good morning, children. So in my last video, I've completed consequences of unemployment. Today, I'm going to do causes of unemployment. Means what are the factors which lead to unemployment problem in India? Those causes we have to study today. Okay. Now, if you open your book, page number 245. Okay. Then in this, the causes of unemployment is given. Okay. Like, what are the causes of why there is problem of unemployment? Reason being economic growth of the country is low. And if you see the different sectors, especially India is an agricultural economy. Okay, being an agricultural economy, still in Indian agriculture depends on the rate of rainfall. We don't have a proper irrigational facility, so agricultural sector growth is also low. Then high rate of capital formation. Then India is India is progressing slowly and gradually, and there is economic growth going on slowly and gradually. So this, whatever growth India is getting, India is using capital intensive technique, and being the second largest populated country, we cannot afford capital intensive technique. We need to use the labor intensive technique. Is it clear? Then I have already told you educational unemployment, one of the causes defective education system, means we give more of general education and less of technical education, which also create unemployment, which is called technical unemployment. Okay, then there are several other causes which lead to the problem of unemployment in India. So we need to discuss those causes of unemployment, children. Okay, now I'm going to explain the causes, and I'll give you the notes also, because in your big book it is given in a much lengthier way, so that it will be easy for you to learn the causes. Okay, so for that reason, just see the first cause, low rate of economic growth. Okay, now see the point. All of you open your book, then only you see this video. Okay, now see, the rate of economic growth in the economy has been rather low. Rate of economic growth determines the rate at which jobs are created. Obviously, because we have studied in chapter 7 what is economic growth. Economic growth means increase in real per capita income, and when the real per capita income increases, when the production in the country increases. So because economic growth is quantitative growth, and quantitative growth means when the total productivity of the country will increase, then we can say yes, there is economic growth taken place. And when there is increase in the production, then automatically demand for labor will increase. Always remember, the rate of economic growth determines the rate at which the jobs are created. And if the rate of economic growth will be low, then definitely there will be a low job creation, which leads to the problem of unemployment. Is it clear? So this is something very important fact. Rate of economic growth determines the rate at which new jobs are created. The job opportunities created under each 5-year plan fall in short of the job requirement of the growing labor force. Okay, so India has adopted 5-year plans, and India has always targeted to increase the job opportunities in the country in every 5-year plan. But the job opportunities which are created during each 5-year plan was less than the job requirement, and this job requirement was increasing in a higher rate because of the growing labor force. And why labor force was growing? Because of the excess of population. Further, unfortunately, non-agricultural sector, particularly modern industrial sector, is growing at a slow pace. This has led not only to open unemployment, but also has put pressure on land. Land means agricultural land, resulting in disguised unemployment in agricultural sector. Is it clear to all of you? So the first cause of unemployment is low rate of economic growth. So all of you write down these points, write down the heading causes of unemployment. And under the causes of unemployment, please write down the first heading, low rate of economic growth. All of you write fast. Okay, so write down the first point, low rate of economic growth. Write down, the rate of economic growth in India has been low. Full stop. Second fact, rate of economic growth determines the rate at which new jobs are created. But the job opportunities created under each 5-year plans in India was less than the job requirement of growing labor force, full stop. Due to this, there was a creation of not only open unemployment, but also there was a creation of disguised unemployment in agricultural sector, full stop. Only this much you people have to write in the first point. Now see the second point, that is low growth rate of agriculture. All of you see in the book. An important cause of unemployment in the agricultural sector is that growth rate of agricultural sector has been low and tardy. A low growth rate of agricultural sector implies that the growth rate of employment in the agricultural sector has been low. Moreover, productivity in agriculture continues to be very low because of various technological and institutional factors such as small, scattered unit of cultivation, inadequate capital, outmoded technology. As a consequence, agriculture has provided only low productivity employment. Agriculture has created employment but low productivity employment. Is it clear? Lack of multiple cropping and excessive pressure of population on land has made the problem of seasonal and disguised unemployment. Is it clear? Now try to understand. The rate of growth of agricultural sector was low. Why the rate of growth of agricultural sector was low? Because of small scattered units of cultivation, because of inadequate capital, because of outmoded technology, because of lack of multiple cropping, because of excess of population pressure on agriculture. All these factors has kept the agricultural growth low, which has created the problem of seasonal and disguised unemployment. So what is the second cause of unemployment? Low growth rate of agriculture. All of you write down. The second point, low growth rate of agriculture. Under this you write, an important cause of unemployment in the agricultural sector is its low growth rate. Under this you write, an important cause of unemployment in agricultural sector is its low growth rate. Full stop, then write. A growth rate in agriculture is low because of small scattered units of cultivation, inadequate capital, outmoded or primitive technologies, lack of multiple cropping, excess population pressure on agriculture, etc. And this low growth rate of agriculture has created the problem of disguised and seasonal unemployment in India. Okay, so second point we have done. Right on the third point, which is given in the book, that is called low rate of capital formation. Obviously, you know that India has abundant resources, whether it's natural resource or it's human resource. Human resource is more because we are the second largest populated country in the world. Natural resources more because nature has given us too much of resources. But what is lacking in our country? Capital formation. We don't have a proper capital in our country. Why we don't have a proper capital in our country? Because the growth rate of capital was low. Why the growth rate of capital was low? Because the population was too much, okay, and we have made more of consumer goods industries and we have not made capital goods industries. So we were actually lacking in the production of capital, and due to low capital, and why there was low capital? Because saving was less. And saving is less investment, less capital formation. Is it clear? Now see all of you, write on the third point, low rate of capital formation. Under this you write, One of the important factor responsible for unemployment in India is low rate of capital formation. Full stop. Then under this you write, in India, the growth rate of industries and agriculture was low because of non-availability of machine, power, transport and essential raw materials. Full stop. Due to this, the job creations in the both sectors was being adversely affected, which led to the problem of unemployment. Full stop. Is it clear? Then write down the fourth point, that is rapid population growth. This no need to say. In India, I told you, the rate of population is increasing in a geometrical ratio and job opportunities are increasing in an arithmetical ratio. It means that the rate of growth of population is much more than the rate of growth of jobs in India. Okay, and this creates the problem of unemployment in our country. So we can write in very brief under this, write on the fourth point, rapid population growth. Under this you write, rapid population growth is the most important cause of unemployment in India. Rapid population growth is one of the most important cause of unemployment in India. Full stop. Then write, after full stop you write, this is because of two reasons. This is because of two reasons. Give a dash and write number one. Rapid population growth has created unemployment by making large addition to labor force. Rapid population growth has created unemployment by making large addition to labor force. Second, rapid population growth has reduced the resources required for capital formation, and low capital formation has kept the different sectors of our country low, which leads to the problem of unemployment. Full stop. Is it clear? Write on the fifth point, that is called use of capital intensive techniques. So one thing you need to know, that in our country, we are the second largest populated country in the world, but we are using capital intensive technique, means we are using more of capital and less of labor. Definitely the problem will occur, which is called what? Unemployment. Right on the fifth cause, use of capital intensive technique. Under this you write, use of capital intensive technique in India has also added to the problem of unemployment. Full stop. Due to the use of capital intensive technique, a large amount of laborers remain unused and created the problem of unemployment. Only this much you need to write. Okay. Then sixth point, defective education system. Write down the sixth point, that is called defective education system. Under this that there is a fault in our education system. What is the fault in our education system? We create more of general education. We don't focus on vocational and technological education, which lead to the problem of poverty. So all of you write down defective education system, right? Unemployment in India is created due to the fault in our education system. Full stop. Then write, our education system creates more of general education and less of vocational and technical education, which leads to the problem of poverty. Full stop. Is it clear? So today I have explained 6 points. Okay. If possible, I will upload one more video for the another 6 point, children. Okay. So you complete till here, and if you have any problem, you can come to the school also before your examination to clear your doubts. Okay. Or you can ask me in the comment section also, so that I will able to know that where you people are having the problem. For today only this much. Thank you, children.